In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this beautiful bottle art done on a glass bottle using acrylic paints. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. If you like the content, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's begin with the easy tutorial. We will take any glass bottle, take out the sticker and get it ready. So at first we will paint on it using the gesso. I have made the gesso myself at home. It is also available to buy online or in local market. However, if you want to make a gesso at your home, then please follow my previous tutorial. If you want the link, then comment in my comment section or message me in my Instagram. I will provide you the link. After the gesso has dried up completely, paint on the glass bottle using acrylic paint. At first we are painting it white colored at the bottom, and slowly we will be adding colors to our bottle art. You will be painting your glass or plastic bottle based on your own imaginations. I can provide you simple idea or design for your art. You can make exactly the same design if you want, or you can add your own touch to your art. So let's paint it and complete it, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. So the first coat has dried up. I am giving a second coat of painting in this way, so it will make your work look brighter. Then I am giving detailings to my painting. Make sure that your work is neat enough. I have already painted half of my bottle. Now I will be painting the other half. So at first we are doing some detailings at the top portion. So this is simple mandala kind of design that I have added at the top portion, and at the bottom side I have done Warli art. So it's a fusion art in the bottle. So at first we are doing the mandala portion. After doing the mandala portion, now I am doing the Warli art. This is the simplest Warli man that I am drawing at the lower side, and at the top side I will be drawing the Warli woman. So this is the simplest form of the Warli art. I think you can use this in any wall art or bottle art or any painting if you wish, and it will just give a classic look to your art. As I said earlier, the painting and the art is based on your own imagination. I can simply give you small ideas. If you want, you can make exactly the same design, or if you want, you can improvise. Okay. So we are nearly done with the painting. Don't forget to neaten up your work. Just make sure that your bottle art looks beautiful and neat, and it will just be the best showpiece. So it's complete. I hope you liked this tutorial and you found this helpful. If you like this tutorial, then please do hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. So thank you, have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.